Marketers, you basically have two options when it comes to AI. Option 1, say no, I'm not interested because I'm going to be replaced by robots anyway. Option 2, amazing, I'm going to embrace AI and create much more and better content immediately. Let me share with you my story about how I'm embracing AI for content creation with the two tools. The first AI tool helps me with my social media planning. Not only do I use AI for generating first drafts for my social media posts, but I'm also using AI to assist me with ideation and planning my monthly calendar posts based on the account strategy elements set up. The second AI tool helps me with my website page creation. As you may know, many companies are still using bulky content management systems which are not very user-friendly and are time-consuming. That's why I have embraced another AI content tool where creating content becomes a smooth journey, starting with a Google Sheet that anyone can contribute to. You can see changes reflecting in real time in production. It makes the process very intuitive and simple. Of course, these are just tools and they don't guarantee direct results for your business. Their effectiveness depends on how they are applied and the strategy they serve. However, they have greatly improved my efficiency in my work. In summary, everything is still work in progress, but I'm very excited about the future of marketing. Please share your AI stories and reach out to me if you want to know more about my experience. Stay tuned for more exciting stories about AI for marketers. But remember, as long as the Matterhorn stands, everything is going to be all right.